Hello guys, let's look at how you can generate reports between any two dates on a form in Microsoft Access. So here you look at this one from that is from 1st May 2024 all the way to 5th June. So if you look at this data here, it is produced from those dates. So I use this filter form to produce this report. For that case, let's go to this point here. We have our Microsoft Access database. So I go to new, then I go to Microsoft Access. Then this one, we can just call it report. That is report on any two dates. Then I open the database. What I am supposed to do here is to create the main table, enable the content, go to create, then table design. So here I just go to this point and have the ID. This is the auto number and the primary key. Then I go to member name. Then I go to the next one, amount. Then I go to the next one, that is payment mode. Payment mode here can just the lookup wizard. So I go to lookup wizard, go to this dialog box, go to option number 2. I type in the values that I want. Then I go to this point and type. For example, we have mobile money, we have EFT, we have cash, we have check, like that. And then we can just have others. Then go to finish. Then once you do that, we go to the next one. The next one is description. We can have description here, there. Our default value here can be for the description. We can have tithe. Then from here, we can just come to this point. We have pay, that is payment date. This is date and time. Then we can hand produce to time. We have time. This is date and time. Then we can have the pay code. The pay code here, just choose calculated field. Then we can have this function there. This function will take the 3 letters of the member's name. Day, it will take the day, that is the payment day from the payment date. It will take the month from the payment date and the year from the payment date. Remember, I am not really showing you that. Our point of interest is that is displaying any two dates, that is information on any two dates. So here we have the date. Then from here, we can just have the date as default value as today's date. So you type date function there. That one will give us the date. Then the time, we can have the same time. Default value, let's say 12, that is 12 p.m. For that case, that is our default value. Then I save my table. My table, I can just save it as that is salary. I just call it order payments. That's my table. Then guys, the next thing I should do is to close this one, then create another table. So I just go to create, then I go to table design. Here, sorry, I have gone to query. So I close this, go to create, then I go to table design. The next table, we can just have the serial number, the serial number, that is auto number. This is not so important here, just to make sure that I set the primary key. Then we have from, that is date and time. Then we have to, also this one is date and time. Remember, these ones are the dates that I choose. Then here we can have the index. The index here, we can have weekly, we can have daily. So I just go to option of typing. So I go to this point. So we have daily, we have weekly, we have monthly, we have quarterly, can have quarterly, then you can have annually or yearly. Then I hit on finish. Now once I'm done with this one, just this one you can just call it the checker. So we have our two tables. The next thing here is to create a query for this one. So I click on this one, then go to create, then query design. Here I double click the orders table. Then guys, I pull this up to somewhere there and then display everything. Make sure you display everything here. So here I just hit on the member name, amount, payment, description, payment date, time, and pay code. Those are the points. Then this one is my query. So I save it, just save it as, you can give it any name. For example, I can just call it order queue, that is order query. Then I cross the order query. The next thing, I create a form that using the checker. So create, then I just go to this point here. I can choose mode of form. Then once I do that, I can remove these two. This one, just reduce the size. Then go to design, go to add existing. So we have to add the existing, but instead of doing that, just go back to design, go to property sheet, go to all, record source, choose the checker, then cross it, again go to design, go to add existing feeds, then bring the feeds. I need these 3 feeds, so I just pull them there. Then I just take them, let me undo this. So I want to carry this one up to that point. Then these ones can go to this. We just modify. I just needed to modify this one. I would modify this one again so that these ones can be taken backwards. Can take these ones backwards like that, like that. Then guys, after doing that one, this one you can just make sure they are good to go like that. Once I do this, just to format this one, just go to this point here. I want them to be vivid. So again, once I do that, I need to add 2 buttons. So I go to design, I use toggle button, can just draw 1 button there. This one I just call it refresh, that is refresh. Then again draw another button there, draw another button here, this button here. This one you can just click on show report or open report. So once I am done with this one, I can just save this one as my filter form like that. Then go to these 2 points, the from and to. Here I want to go to property sheet, then change the date format. The date format of this one should be medium dates for that. Then go to refresh button, go to event, go to after update event, go to macros, hit the 3 dots, go to build macro, then here just type refresh, that way, then save. That button will refresh or save the data. Then from here, go to data, then go to that is allow additions. This one should be allow edits. Allow addition should be yes. Allow edits no. Then save, test the form. The form is working. So here I can choose the dates I want, like that. The dates I want, that is 2, for example. Can choose the dates I want, that is from May. Let's say from May, 1st May, then to today, like that. Then the index daily. Then from there I can hit on refresh. Now once I click on refresh and then go to the checker, you can see it has saved that data successfully there. Then again here we proceed, we create a report from this query. So I create a report, go to create, then you can just go to report, hit on report. So this one will create our report. This is the report that will be displayed here, but alternatively you can still opt to create your own report. You can create your own report, just going to report wizard, then select the fields you want, amount, and then I need these ones. I need pay date, time, and code. So I go next. Here you can choose pay date in ascending order. Next, then go to tabular. That is okay. This one you can just call it summary report. Then we shall have our report. This is our report. Just modify it a bit. Like for example, here we have the pay date. Here we can reduce the amount and reduce this size so that we can bring these ones there, and then set this one accordingly. This is our payment date, like that. Then this one you can just format it as you wish. So this is our report. Now having this one, you can just test it. Our report is nice. So only that I have not fed the data. So the next thing here is to make sure that this button show report opens this report. So I go to design view, hit on the button, go to design, go to property sheet. Then here I'll just go and go to event. On click, what happens? I hit the three dots, go to macro builder. Then here you just type open report. Then choose the report name. The report name is summary. Then save, cross. So this button will now open this one once I choose the dates here. So it will work according to the dates chosen here. So the next thing and the last part of this one is to go to the query, open the query, go to design view of the query, then go to this point, date, go to this point on date. Once you go to the point on date here, that is in the criteria, right click, go to build. Here you choose the forms. So you click on this report on any two data, go to forms, then go to all forms, then hit on filter form. Now once you hit on the filter form, type between here, between, you type between, that is between. Then once you click on between, you click on this one, from, and type and to, up to. So this is the function that will work there. Then click on OK. So here you'll have that one, that one displayed there. So save this. Now once you save that one, cross it. Then now feed the data in the, that is in the system here. Like for example, you can have our member numbers. You can have our members here. You can have member name, you can have Jane, you can have Jacob, you can have James, like that. Then amount produced for 500, 5600, 8900. Payment mode, you can just choose EFT, cash. Then we can have Arada, can have Boniface, Belinda, Don, can have Keige, Ririan. Those ones are enough. So here just feed some amount that this guy is paid, like that. Then we can have these ones, EFT, cash. This one used a check, this used other methods, this used EFT, this one used cash. Then just alternate the dates. Like for example, this is the month, this one can be May, this one can be April, this one can be May, this one can be that is February, this one remains, this one is May, this one is July, this one is August, this one is February. Good. So this is the data we have. So I cross that one. Now the next thing I need to do, if I open this report, you can see it cannot open. So first of all, we can just have the sum, the sum here. Can have the sum of the values. First of all, I can just make this one vivid. Can make that one vivid like that. Now, you usually put the calculations on the footer. So I just go to design, then take the text box. Just want to have the sum here. So I just have to have the amount. So here I just type equals sum, open the bracket, amount, close the bracket. So this one is the total value that I have here. Again, I can just make it vivid like that. So once I run this one, I'll get the sum of this. Now I cross this one, then try to run my report. So I just click on this one. So I want to have data of 1st May to 5th June. So I just click on show here, refresh and then show. So we can just fix that one. So we can modify this button. We can modify this button, delete it, go to design, use the command button, draw the command button, then cancel. Here type open report, then go to properties of this button, go to property sheet, then go to event, on click, hit the 3 dots, then go to build macros, and then here type open report. Choose the report, again summary report, save it and close. So once you are done with that one, you can just test whether that one works. So go to view, then here we want to see data that are between 1st May and the end of May. That is, and the end of May. The end of May is 31st May. That is, that I need it to be 31st. That is 31st. That is 31st May. We need to 1st May to any other date. Just a moment. We open this one. So we can have any other date here. So refresh, then click on show report. You see now that one works. We have the that is 1st May up to 5th June. See now it's working. Then the next thing after you do this one, we can modify the report a bit. So we bring the sub report here. That is we have a sub form here. So we just go to create, then we go to report wizard. We create a report for the checker. So we shall have from to index. Go to next. Again, go to next. Here, go to next. Here we can have columnar next. Then finish. So we have this one. Right click, just design it a bit. Just give it a clear finish like that. This one should be up to that point. Then this one should be up to that point. This one should be taken to that point, that point, that point. Then just have them with clear color. This one should be design, format, centered. Now again I can just remove this one. I don't need this one, I don't need this one, like that. Then I also don't need this one. This is what I have. So this one, let's see what we have. This is what we have. So I can just bring now this checker here to be a sub report like that, like a sub report. So we're gonna have this one up to that point, this one up to that point. Then save this one. Let's see what we have. So when I go to this point and click on this one, you see now what I have. Now my system is perfectly working. It can produce 2 dates as given. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Remember to subscribe, remember to like and share my videos.